Hi, in my last video I explained how the Wish board evolved over time and how we could add Bluetooth, BLE, Wi-Fi, GSM, LoRa all on the single board and could reduce our POC time from 2 to 3 months to just 2 weeks. And thereafter very soon the board was discovered by IoT enthusiasts and they started using Wish board for their own projects. Okay, so today in this video we'll see how the maker community is using Wish board and how Wish board is helping numerous makers, learners, students and university researchers to do their project. Okay, so let's begin. So welcome back. So once the Wish board was completely designed, developed and stabilized, it had Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, GSM, LoRa all on the same board, and we also added some adapters for commonly used modules like RTC module, OLED display, memory card for data logging, etc. So it became a very compact, feature-packed board, and we started using it for all our POCs. We also deploy it in a few real projects if the quantity is very low. So that is how it went on for a few months, and then this happened. It should have occurred to us, but it didn't cross our mind that the maker community, the IoT enthusiasts started taking note of this board because of so many features on the same board, and they started using Wish board for their own projects. And that's the time when we started seeing a lot of traction from makers community. We started receiving order from schools and colleges, for mainly for their internal projects and IoT competitions. So we started sending Wish board in bulk to Bangalore colleges, Pune colleges. So there is also one video that I'll show you here that for a IoT competition this also featured our board. Have a look at here. So why the college need Wish board for an IoT competition? So say if you are a participant in that competition, you have some idea and you want to build it, right? And as a host, the college need to give you some board so that you can build your idea on top of it, right? So you can use like Arduino, Node MCU, ESP32, but the problem is those are not ready with like GSM and LoRa communications, right? So what you need to do, you need to have the development board, you need to have a breadboard, and then you have to connect wires. So the jumpers will go to and fro from the dev board to the breadboard, and very soon it becomes very clumsy, and then it's not very easily portable to carry from one table to another table. So sometimes the wires get detached, and then you need to look at the wire diagram, and then you need to connect it, and then you don't know which wire is what. So this kind of trouble is very problematic, and you cannot quickly finish your project if it is something like this. So this is one problem, but with Wish board you don't have this problem because you have adapters for everything, for GSM, LoRa, RTC, OLED display, etc. So you can easily attach them and just put jumpers wire within the board, right? So this is very easy and portable and very compact as well. So you can like use a ready-made enclosure, or you can 3D print some enclosure and put on top of it, and you get a compact project, right? So we have some examples, so have a look at this video here. Hello friends, so this project is live now. It's sending temperature, humidity and a random number to cloud over Wi-Fi, running on batteries. Okay, so of course stay in during these COVID times. So here's the data in cloud. So this is the benefit of having a Wish board. You can build very compact and finished looking project with some enclosures, right? And what more, if the order is in bulk, then we also used to put the logo of the college on top of the board while fabricating it. So it's also some branding from the college. So that is how it was a win-win situation. So this is how the makers community started using Wish board. numerous students, learners, makers, hobbyists are now using Vistry board for their projects. Even a few companies, startups are using Vistry for the POC purposes. Okay, so for the benefit of the makers, we have made all the documentation available at our website. You can find a link in the video description. To get to the Vistry page, you can either click on the link given in the video description, or you can open your Google Chrome browser and search for Wise Things. Just mind the last letter is Z and not S. Okay, so you find us at the top. So either you can open Wise Things page, or you can directly open Vistry page. So I have now clicked on Vistry. So I am now inside Vistry page. So here we can see a photo of the board. Here is the payment links if you want to buy the board. Here you can see an example of a project. You can look at it for yourself. Okay, then we can see the links here. Quick reference, technical manual, schematics, API documentation, and YouTube channel link. So let me open the schematic. So once you click on it, it opens up in a new tab. Okay, so this is the PDF page. Here you can see the schematic of the Vistry board. Okay, so you can take this as a guidance. So if you are like doing prototyping on Vistry and then want to like develop your own board, then you can get a lot of guidance from this schematic drawing, and also from other documentation like pin maps and technical manual. And we have got a YouTube channel as well, and there's a dedicated playlist for Vistry only. I will give you a link in this video description, so you can see how to power up the board, how to program the board, how to debug it, how to attach new components. Everything is explained with very nice videos, and there are codes, Arduino codes for each communication method like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, GSM and LoRa. So you just click on the link, it takes you to a GitHub page. Okay, you copy the whole code, you paste it on your IDE, just add your own sensor part, and your code is done, your project is done in just matter of days, right? Any project. So let us have a look at the YouTube channel. Okay, to get into our YouTube channel, so you can click either the link given in the video description, or you can open up your YouTube app and then search for Wise Things again, right? Yeah, note the last letter is Z and not S. So you get inside our channel. Here you can see many learning videos and project videos. Okay, so what you need to do, you can go further inside and look for the playlist. So in the end you can see this Vistry tutorials, ESP8266 and ESP32. So let us get inside this. So you can see there are many guide videos, like first one is flashing the board, second is the blink tutorial, third is Bluetooth, then we have Bluetooth 80 commands, then DHT22 with Wi-Fi, LoRa, GSM. So all the project videos are there. So if you are looking for some code, say we want to see the blink code, so you can click, you can open a video, and then you can get inside the description of the video, and you can find the code links here. So we have code links for ESP8266 and ESP32 because this board runs both the modules, so we have code for both. And then there is a circuit drawing as well. So let me open the code for ESP8266. So this page actually redirect you to the GitHub page, and you can see here the full code here with all the explanations needed. Okay, so if you are adding some sensor, so you can add your own lines after you copy and paste this code into your own IDE, right? So once you paste your sensor readings and all, your coding is done. So this is how you need to navigate through the Vistry channel. So this is how we try to make using Vistry board even easier for the makers. So if you are a maker, a serious maker or a serious hobbyist, and you want to build your own customized board, but before that you want to test your idea, you want to do some quick prototyping, then you can use Vistry board. You can use the ready-made codes and quickly pull up something, and then once your testing is successful, you can go for your own board. You can take the guidance from the schematics and other documentations, and you can build your own board, and you can do wonders, right? So this is it for today. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for your time. I wish you all the success in your life. Thank you very much. Bye.